In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Pocket Option app on your iOS device, ensuring you have smooth access to trading wherever you are. Let's get started by navigating through the steps clearly and efficiently, making sure you understand each part of the process. First, grab your iOS device and open your favorite browser. Whether it's Safari, Chrome, or any other, we're going to visit our official website or blog directly from your mobile device. This step is crucial because accessing from your mobile ensures that you're taken to the mobile-friendly version of the page, which promises that the entire downloading process will be optimized for your device. As you arrive at the website, you'll notice how easy and intuitive the layout is, which will help guide you along the way. Now, at the very top of the page, keep an eye out for a suggestion to download the app. It might appear as an eye-catching banner or an install button prominently placed for your convenience. This option is usually hard to miss, designed to make the download process as seamless as possible for users who prefer a straightforward approach. If, for some reason, you don't see the suggestion banner at the top of the page, don't worry. We've got you covered with an alternative method. You can navigate using the site's menu or simply scroll down the homepage until you find the dedicated download button. It may take a bit more scrolling, but it's there, waiting to assist you in getting that app onto your device. The button is clearly labeled, so be sure you're looking for a download link specifically associated with the Pocket Option app. Once you've found the download button, give it a tap. This will typically redirect you to the App Store if you're not already using the Pocket Option app platform. If you're in the correct App Store region, you'll be prompted to download and install the app onto your device. Follow the usual download procedure, and in a matter of moments, you'll have the app ready for use. To wrap things up, after installation, open the app. Log in using your credentials if you already have an account, or start fresh by setting up a new one. With the app now at your fingertips, you can explore all its features, get comfortable with the interface, and start your trading journey right on your iOS device. And there you have it, a simple guide to downloading the Pocket Option app on iOS. Remember, being armed with the right tools on your mobile device makes trading much more accessible and efficient. Thanks for joining us today, and happy trading!